Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So here we are back at the Singapore Mint showroom in Chinatown of Singapore, and the Mint is currently holding its annual mid-year sale. Heading inside, let's start with the display that's on the center of the showroom. Right over here we have gifts, souvenirs and medallions, which are exclusive to the Singapore Mint. While over here we have a display of premium golds and silver medallion and coins, which the Mint is renowned for. Here we have a 2022 Lunar Tiger 1 kilo silver medallion, while over here we have a Lunar Red 2020 kilo medallion. This is a 2020 Lunar Year of the Red 5 ounce silver proof coin. And over here we have 2 kilo silver proof coin, one for the Year of the Rat, and this is for the Year of the Tiger. Right over here we have some silver medallion sets, which are currently on sale. Let's move on now to the revamped coin display located at the left side of the showroom. Here we have some commemorative silver coins, while over here we can see some British and European Union coin sets. These are the Landmark of Asia coins, exclusive to the Singapore Mint. And over here we have some unique design silver proof coins. Here are the famous Auspicious Koi silver coin series. And over here we have some Sweethearts and Guitar Pick silver coins, which are currently on sale. The Star Wars and DC comic coins are also on sale, while the Puff Mint and some Ram Lunar coins are on promotion. Here we have the Chinese Mint Lunar and Panda series coins, which include the new Platinum Panda 2022 coins. Over here we have the coins from the World Buddha Heritage series, the Bhutan Lunar Proof series, as well as the Macau Lunar Proof coins, which are all exclusive to the Singapore Mint. Here we have my favorite display of NGC graded coins exclusive to the Singapore Mint. Here are some Singapore Lunar coins which have been graded, some Chinese Panda coins, and some Macau and Bhutan Lunar coins. Right below that we have the Auspicious Flower series issued for the island country of Niue. These coins are exclusive to the Singapore Mint and they are currently on promotion. The Elsa and Anna silver proof coins are currently massively discounted. Let's move on down to the silver bullion coins, which are sold in-store only and not listed on the Singapore Mint website. Prices of these coins are changed daily in line with the spot prices, and as you can see they are a little bit expensive today. Here I'll just show you the revamped displays for the premium silver coins, which are exclusive to the Singapore Mint. Here we can see the Pamp Swiss Radiant Medallion silver 1 ounce bar, which I have yet to acquire. This is a display of some Singapore Mint exclusive souvenirs that you can purchase when you are visiting the store. While over here we can see the display of the ever popular Singapore Mint figurines. Here we have an extremely beautiful majestic dragon figurine, the golden koi and harmonious Jia figurines, this double koi fish plate, and this Liu Li money tree, dragon steps and apple figurines. Finally, let's take a look at some of the other products that you can see at the Singapore Mint showroom. Alright, with that, I guess that's going to do it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you all enjoyed this brief tour of the Singapore Mint showroom located in Chinatown of Singapore. If you do have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Otherwise, don't forget to leave me a like if you have enjoyed this content, and be sure to hit that share and subscribe buttons right at the bottom of your screen. As always, you all please take care, be safe, and have a nice day.
Mm-hmm.